Alright, so today's the day I'm going to use my Alaskan sawmill, and we're going to cut this into planks. So what I did was I adjusted it, so I gotta tighten that, so that way it'll screw right into the wood, keep the rails safe and sturdy. I measured it to make sure that all areas a little bit over, that's fine. It's better over than under, so the bar, the chainsaw will sit on something till the end of the cut. And we'll see. This is my first cut, first time using an Alaskan sawmill, so we'll see how it goes. So what I did was I pre-drilled the holes, so you can see, and then I screwed them in. So this thing is pretty secure on this log, and it's going to help guide my first cut. And I've got the chainsaw right on this. So what it's going to do is sit kind of like, I don't know if you can see it, that it's going to cut that top layer straight across. So now I'm measuring, make sure I got the right depth. I might have to go a little lower to get that first cut. And I'm hoping that after the first cut we can get some planks out of this trunk. Alright, just finished my first cut. As you can see, use the wedges to every time it pinched the saw. But yeah, came out pretty good. And so this guide rail that I had on for the first cut, being that the surface itself was uneven, it wasn't going to give me a straight cut. So what this guide bar does is it lets me have a straight first cut. So then all I have to do now is, instead of laying the bar back on, I just use the Alaskan mill itself, and it'll sit flat right on that flat surface and let me start cutting my planks. Whew, that was fun. Just finished my first Alaskan sawmill. So look at that. I did it 2 inches just to play it safe. But yeah, look at that. So just trim up the edges here, and we can use it as a planter. We can do stuff with it, you know, make steps out of it. And then I could probably get another 2 more. The only thing is, it's probably going to get cut off because it thins out at the end. As you can see, I won't be able to get as much. So I'll just cut another one, see where it cuts me off at, but I'll probably put something underneath it. But yeah, I can mill my own lumber. That opens the door for so many possibilities on this homestead. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep rooting for me, guys.